Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mohamlas. Today I have a delightful treat for you, a quick and easy 10-minute chicken gravy recipe. As you guys know, this is my first recipe video on my YouTube channel, so I don't know how good the quality is, but I've tried my best to film this all by myself. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need is some marinated chicken, and basically you gotta fry them for about 3 minutes or so. While the chicken is getting fried, you gotta take 2 juicy tomatoes and 1 capsicum and chop them into thin pieces as possible. Now add those in the pan and mix it thoroughly and put on the lid. Now putting a lid makes an important role in this chicken gravy because while you put a lid, the chicken is gonna take in all those tomato juice and capsicum flavor and makes the chicken juicy and tender. Next up, you're gonna add some chopped chilies, and you could add 2 or 3 chilies. I've added 3 chilies here, and again mix it well. And by the way, I don't know if this recipe already exists on YouTube. I've already searched it. I didn't find this particular recipe. Next, you're gonna need some soy sauce. Any brand soy sauce would do the job, and mix it well. And basically, your chicken gravy is ready. Now if you want to make it as a curry form, you could add some hot water and it's gonna be curry, but me personally, I love in a gravy form because it gives more flavor. So yeah, now you can use this gravy for chapati, cups or paratha or something like that. And that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.